Respect isn't something you demand, it is something you command. Most people live their whole lives being ignored, but you are about to learn the 7 dark psychology tricks to change that instantly. Do you ever feel invisible? Like you speak, but nobody really listens? People talk over you. They seem distracted, as if your words don't carry weight. Here's the truth. Respect isn't something you demand, it's something you command without saying a single word. Psychology shows that small behavioral shifts can instantly change how people perceive you. Here are 7 psychological tricks that make people respect you instantly. And number 4 changes everything. Number 1, the power of the pause. Most people rush to speak because silence makes them uncomfortable. They think talking more makes them seem important. It doesn't. High-status individuals are comfortable with silence. Before you answer a question, pause for 2 seconds. That pause creates tension. It signals confidence. It shows you're thinking, not reacting. Number 2, stop apologizing for your boundaries. If you can't do a favor, don't say, "I'm so sorry, I wish I could." Say this instead, "I won't be able to do that." Over-explaining signals guilt. It lowers perceived value. Clear boundaries, stated without excuses, create respect. Number 3, occupy space. When people feel insecure, they shrink. They hunch their shoulders, cross their arms, look down. Your body is always communicating. Open your posture, sit back, stand tall. Expansive body language signals confidence to your brain and to everyone else. Number 4, be the rock, not the waves. When someone is rude or aggressive, they want a reaction. Anger, defensiveness, emotion. The moment you react, you give away power. The calm person controls the room. When you don't react to disrespect, you silently communicate that their behavior has no control over you. Stay calm, stay steady. Number 5, eye contact. Too little eye contact signals insecurity. Too much feels aggressive. The balance matters. Maintain steady eye contact while listening, and soften it slightly when you speak. People feel acknowledged, not challenged. Number 6, vulnerability is strength. Trying to appear perfect makes you look insecure. Confident people can calmly admit small mistakes. "Yes, I missed that detail. I'll fix it." That level of security disarms criticism and earns respect. And finally, number 7, be willing to walk away. In any relationship or negotiation, the person who needs approval the least has the most power. If someone disrespects you and you stay anyway, you teach them how to treat you. Respect isn't given, it's mirrored. Respect yourself enough to walk away from disrespect, and others will follow your lead. Which of these will you try first? Let me know in the comments. And subscribe to Trend School Academy for more psychology that upgrades your life.